Hey guys, this is Kang with a different set of gadgets and gizmos brought to you by ACER Predator. We'll be discussing more and more Predator products as we go along, and I'll be giving you insight about what to expect about their product lineup, along with a short overview of what it has to offer. Although there are a lot of laptops taking over the gaming scene, there are still a number of choices when it comes to desktop gaming rigs. One of the system desktops packed with features and game-worthy specification is the ACER Orion 5000.
The ACER Predator Orion is a multi-awarded desktop that is sleek and remarkable. It has gaming design and is quite large. At the front, we see the Predator logo on the removable grille front panel that covers the bottom 2/3 of the case, which has RGB LEDs along with dual intake fans that are also RGB. Just above that, you will find a triangle power button. The top of the case is a handle, which makes it convenient to transport the desktop around. I was able to actually lift it up on my own. Lined up on the top are 3 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A ports and a USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type C port. Between the USB port, you will also find the headphone and microphone jacks. Under the desktop are case feet that elevate the whole system at a slight angle upwards, which allows the dedicated air intake to the power supply to help cool the system with the ACER's Ice Tunnel 2.0 airflow design. Ice Tunnel 2.0 is an advanced airflow management solution which smartly separates the different thermal zones of the system, each of which has an individual airflow tunnel to expel the heat. Looking at the sides, we see a debossed ACER Predator icon and word marking, while on the left side of the main chassis, we are greeted with the main axis EMI-compliant side acrylic window panel with the mesh honeycomb design behind it to ensure the reduction of the incoming electromagnetic interference. The ACER Predator Orion is packed with an 8th Gen Intel Core i7 processor. It has 16GB DDR4 RAM, which can be upgraded up to 64GB of dual-channel DDR4 RAMs. For storage, it is equipped with a 256GB M.2 2280 PCIe SSD. Along with all that, this system runs at NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 with 6GB of GDDR6 VRAM. At the rear part of the desktop, we find 3 display ports, HDMI, DVI, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A ports, USB 2.0, audio, power connector, and a LAN port.
Upon purchase, the ACER Predator Orion 5000 has a pre-installed Predator Sense for RGB customization, fan speed control, and monitor and optimize your system performance. This ACER Predator Orion 5000 is priced at 70,000 pesos, packaged with a Predator gaming keyboard and mouse. Also included in the bundle is the ACER Predator XP241H gaming monitor. That's everything you need to know about the ACER Predator Orion 5000. I hope you learned a lot from Kang. Again, this is Kang. See you on my next video. Bye-bye, everyone.